Hi, my name is Wonu.
Hi, my name is Suyang.
Along with Nayun Kwan, we're introducing you to the Corgi Stocks. Corgi Stocks is an app specifically for the visually impaired, and its main purpose is to help them make an earnings on stocks by helping them predict what they can't see. I came to think about building this app when I met a visually impaired individual back in Korea. And I had a long discussion about how individuals like himself has very limited resources to help them get into stocks or the financial system in general. And so I thought there would be more people needing this kind of app, which is why my team decided to make Corgi Stocks. Because the app is for the visually impaired group of people, the UI UX side of things is as simple as it can get. The app runs mostly on voice recognition so that the users don't have to bother clicking buttons that they are not able to see. We applied a lot of features from Google Cloud in making this app, and Suyong will explain what features he used to make the back end of things work for this project.
For the backend part, I use basically three Google Cloud features. One is the Google Firestore. Second is the Google Cloud Run, and the third one is the Google Natural Language. To tell you a little bit about the overall backend process, I use Python and Python Flask to develop the backend server, and then I use web scraping on various different kinds of articles from various different kinds of websites so that I can gather information about um, the, uh, the positive side and the negative side of the given keyword. So to determine the positive negative side, I used the Google natural language, especially Google sentiment analysis, to determine whether or not the current article is more prone to the positive side or the negative side. By doing that, I can easily determine how many positive articles there were and how many negative articles there were for a certain keyword, so that I can shoot the post API back to the front end side with the results of the positive counts and the negative counts, so that the front end side could use those data to display and show to the users.
Yeah, so on the front end side, I made everything in Swift. It was my first time playing around with speech to text and text to speech recognition API that Google offered. So it took a good amount of time trying to figure out how things worked. But basically, I used post method to get the data that Young harvested from the server to tell the user of the predictions that we made. And for the part where we offer the user about the past data, say yesterday's change in stocks, we use Alpha Vantage API to get those data. And again, we focus on simple UI UX. And that's the end of how we made the app. And we'll now show you the working demo of the app.
Hello, this is Corgi Stocks. Which stocks would you like us to analyze today?
Tesla.
Say 1 if you want to find out about yesterday's stock change. And 2 if you want us to predict tomorrow's change in stock for Tesla.
1.
There was a 4.49% decrease in the stocks for Tesla in March 5th of 2021. Would you like us to predict stock change of Tesla for tomorrow?
Yes.
There's a 83.3% chance of decrease in Tesla's stock for March 8th of 2021. And we analyzed 12 articles and confirmed that 2 articles had positive views on the company while 10 articles had negative views.
So that's the end of our demo, and thank you for watching.